Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Minecraft exit code 1 error on Windows. Modern Minecraft versions, like 1.17 and newer, require Java 17 or Java 21 to run properly. Open your web browser and go to the Oracle Java Downloads page. From there, download the x64 installer for either Java 21 or Java 17. Once the file is completely downloaded, run the setup and follow the steps to install it on your computer right away. If that does not fix the problem, the next step is to check for incompatible mods. Open your .minecraft folder. Inside the folder, find and open the mods folder. Temporarily move all your mods to your desktop and try launching the game again. If the game works fine, a mod is likely causing the crash. Add your mods back one by one to find the broken one and delete it completely from your system. If you are still getting the exit code 1 error after trying both of these simple methods, you can uninstall and reinstall Minecraft. This will give you a fresh start and might fix the error. Thanks for watching.